All right, we got the UYECOVE 1/4-inch drive click torch wrench set, 26 pieces. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so the first thing is it's got a really nice case, and it's actually got a case. The case comes in a case, so easy to open up, but it's also the case, it's a sturdy case. It's just like, it's a nice case, and you know when you have a nice case like this, the product is going to be amazing. So let's open it up and see what is inside. So, all right, here we go. So the first thing I want to say straight up, this set is legit and this wrench is legit. It is very sturdy. It's got this anti-slip function right here. Say you want to increase or decrease the torque, you can do that here by twisting it like that, pulling this thing down and twisting it. Then you've also got, here, I'm just going to put on one of the sockets. So right here, you want to put this on, you want to press this button, and it's going to snap right in. From here, you can turn it either way, like that, it's going that way. Here, click this like that, now it's going back the other way. So very easy to use there. Let's just take a few of these. So there are all in all 16 of these sockets, and they are different shapes, different sizes. So we got that one, got that one, we've got that one. So all of them are very easy to click in, very easy to use. Then we've got 5 of these type of sockets right here. Same, very easy to click in. I'll just put that back right here. All right, so we've got the universal joint right here. We've got the Adaptor socket adapter right here. We've got the extension bar right here. And we've got this bit socket right here. So straight up, this has everything you need. If you're someone who, you want to do a lot of work on your bike, your motorcycle, and obviously there's a wide array of other things you can use this for. This is all you need. And let's put this to use so you can see me using it. All right, so like I said, this is an amazing set for your bike or your motorcycle, but you can use it for a wide array of things. So right now, I need to tighten something on my lawnmower. So I got the correct piece, gonna attach it like so. And now I need to tighten this. So I'm gonna come down here, attach it, and we're just gonna tighten. And we're good to go. As simple as that. And straight up, like I was saying, this set is legit, durable, sturdy. Highly recommend it.